Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you can't join games due to the content maturity settings. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open the Roblox app. Now tap on More at the bottom, then scroll down and select Settings. Now go to Privacy and then select Content Maturity. Here you need to drag the slider to the right. If you can't do this, it means your age is under 13. But if you're older than 13, just slide the slider all the way to the right. And that's it. Now when you try to open the same game again, you will see that this issue has been fixed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.